Hello everyone, welcome to Yash's World. So today we are going to do some very interesting gardening related work. Now today we are going to plant these lotus seeds. So now I'll show you handful of them. These are lotus seeds. So they are so hard. They make they look like beads, and they can plant a nice beautiful lotus. So this seed has a variety of Japanese lotus which is short and good for people who don't have ponds in their home. Okay, so now let's start planting it. Okay, so now for planting we need a lotus seed, of course, and a sandpaper. If you don't have a sandpaper, you can also take the use of wall. Okay, so now we are going to scrape off some of the surface of the lotus seed. So now we are going to scrape off the ends. So now there in the lotus seed there are two types of end. One is like pointed, like this one, and one is there's like no points. There's like flat surface. So now we are going to sand only the flat surface. You should not sand the pointed one, because if you sand the pointed one, there is no use for that. Now let's scrape off the flattened end. Okay, so now I have scraped off the flattened end of the lotus seed. You have to scrape it until you see the whitish part inside of the lotus seed. So now I'll tell you the reason why you have to scrape like this. The reason is that it speeding up the rate of germination, so it makes the lotus seed to sprout faster. So now we'll take a container, any container. You can take here I take a plastic mug filled with water and simply just drop into it. So after 1 week or 5 days, you'll see some small sprouts growing on it. Okay, thank you friends. Like, share, subscribe. Meet you in the next video.